Dear students, now we are going to learn the objectives of Chapter 9, Fiscal Economics. Question number 1. The modern state is A. Laissez-faire state, B. Aristocratic state, C. Welfare state, D. Police state. The correct answer is C. Welfare state. Question number 2. One of the following is not a feature of private finance. A. Balancing of income and expenditure. B. Secrecy. C. Saving some part of income. D. Publicity. The correct answer is D. Publicity. Question number 3. The tax possesses the following characteristics. A. Compulsory. B. No quid pro quo. C. Failure to pay is offense. D. All the above. The correct answer is D. All the above. Question number 4. Which of the following canons of taxation was not listed by Adam Smith? A. Canon of equity. B. Canon of certainty. C. Canon of convenience. D. Canon of simplicity. The correct answer is D. Canon of simplicity. Question number 5. Consider the following statement and identify the correct ones. 1. Central government does not have exclusive power to impose tax which is not mentioned in the state or concurrent list. 2. The Constitution also provides for transferring certain tax revenues from union list to states. A. First only. B. Second only. C. Both. D. None. The correct answer is B. Second only. Question number 6. GST is equivalence of A. Sales tax, B. Corporation tax, C. Income tax, D. Local tax. The correct answer is A. Sales tax. Question number 7. The direct tax has the following merits except A. Equity, B. Convenient, C. Certainty, D. Civic consciousness. The correct answer is B. Convenient. Question number 8. Which of the following is a direct tax? A. Excise duty, B. Income tax, C. Customs duty, D. Service tax. The correct answer is B. Income tax. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a tax under union list? A. Personal income tax, B. Corporation tax, C. Agricultural income tax, D. Excise duty. The correct answer is C. Agricultural income tax. Question number 10. Revenue receipts of the government do not include A. Interest, B. Profits and dividends, C. Recoveries and loans, D. Rent from property. The correct answer is D. Rent from property. Question number 11. The difference between revenue expenditure and revenue receipts is A. Revenue deficit, B. Fiscal deficit, C. Budget deficit, D. Primary deficit. The correct answer is A. Revenue deficit. Question number 12. The difference between total expenditure and total receipts including loans and other liabilities is called A. Fiscal deficit, B. Budget deficit, C. Primary deficit, D. Revenue deficit. The correct answer is A. Fiscal deficit. Question number 13. Primary purpose of deficit financing is A. Economic development, B. Economic stability, C. Economic equality, D. Economic generation. The correct answer is A. Economic development. Question number 14. Deficit budget means A. Excess of government's revenue over expenditure, B. An excess of government's current expenditure over its current revenue, C. An excess of government's total expenditure over its total revenue, D. None of the above. The correct answer is an excess of government's total expenditure over its total revenue. Question number 15. Methods of repayment of public debt is A. Conversion, B. Sinking fund, C. Funded debt, D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 16. Conversion of public debt means exchange of A. New bonds for the old ones, B. Low interest bonds for higher interest bonds, C. Long-term bonds for short-term bonds, D. All the above. The correct answer is B. Low interest bonds for higher interest bonds. Question number 17. The world budget has been derived from the French word baguette which means A. A small bag, B. An empty box, C. A box with papers, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Small bag. Question number 18. Which of the following deficit does not consider borrowings as a receipt? A. Revenue deficit, B. Budgetary deficit, C. Fiscal deficit, D. Primary deficit. The correct answer is C. Fiscal deficit. Question number 19. Finance Commission determines A. Finances of Government of India, B. Resources transferred to the states, C. Resources transferred to the various departments, D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Resources transferred to the states. Question number 20. Consider the following statements and identify the right ones. First, the Finance Commission is appointed by the President. Second, the tenure of the Finance Commission is 5 years. A. First only, B. Second only, C. Both, D. None. The correct answer is C. Both. Thank you, students.